All right, we just got this deep dish 9 by 13, mainly because we dropped our other one and it broke, so we had to get a new one. And now we're just gonna open this up and take a look at it and see if we like it. I would think that this would just open. Oh, it's stuck here. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, nice. Wow, look at that. That's beauty. Let's set her down here on the table. And it does come with this top, which is perfect. Look at that. Bam, done. Love it. All right, Pyrex, thank you. All right, so check it out. To get this off, you just kind of pull this on this side like that, and then it just kind of comes off. You see that? See the tabs? So then you just, to get it on, you gotta get that end in, and then just push it down like that. And bam, all your food is in there and protected. So yeah, I think it's a good deal. Got it on Amazon, super cheap. Check it out, you guys who like to cook. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.